Rodriguez. Very excited to start this YouTube channel. Um, this is gonna be my first video of five where I will be showing you uh, different websites that you can use as a tool in order to teach English. Um, these websites, well, this is the first web that I will be showing. That is Liveworksheets. Liveworksheets. Um, it is a website that will help any type of not any type, any teacher in order to look for a, let's say, cheats, exercise cheats, um, that it will help you to explain a little bit more to your students on a specific topic. Right now, I'm majoring in English teaching, and I have this subject that I have to study ninth grade, specifically the unit 6, and in this unit teachers have to present or they have to explain, have to teach to their students the reported speech, simple passive, and the single conditional. Now, the thing that you will be doing is to go to Google and type Liveworksheets. As you can see here in the screen, these are the topics that I have to show to that I have to explain to my students, and this is the website, Liveworksheets. You have to type on this Google liveworksheets.com, and it will be, yeah, and it will appear. It's the first one. So you can see I already have the page on, and already the page of what is the topic that I'm looking for. I already typed conditionals in the searcher right here. Conditionals. You can I don't know, type any kind of topic that you're looking for, and it will be uh, any kind of exercises. So, for example, I'm looking for the second conditional. Me as teacher, I'm only focusing on the second conditional, so I'm not interested, not even in the first conditional, the third conditional, and not even the zero first. So I will go with the second conditional. That will be this one. Now, this website brings me or lends me the opportunity to or to share it with my students by WhatsApp, Teams, or Google Classroom. Um, Also, I have the opportunity to copy the link over here and share it to any social network. Um, so this would be the exercise. You can do it online. You can go doing like, if Linda was here, I'm sure she would help. You can you can make your students uh, perform these exercises by their own, or at the same time you can create an account as a teacher. Um, thanks to the advantages of creating an account as a teacher is that you can create a classroom, a virtual classroom, where you can assign to your students pages like this one. So you can go over here, and I think I don't have I have a problem with my account, so I cannot show you how to sign it. But as soon as you access as a teacher, you will be it will appear the option to add it in the in the virtual classroom. So at the same time that you're performing this online by your own, you have the opportunity, even to get to know what is the score that you can get. For example, I already made perform the first sentence, so I will click here and finish. Um, it lends me these two options. Email my answers to my teacher, to the teacher. For example, now I'm a student. My account is as a student. So you will send it to the teacher that is in charge of my virtual classroom, or I can check my answers to know how are they. So you can see that from 18 sentences I only get right one. So I get a 1 from 10. So this is how it works. Live worksheets. Oh, okay. Let me a second. So for example, I am looking for reported speech also because in ninth grade is I have to teach my students also reported speech. So I could go with this. Okay, reported speech, grammar guide, and exercise to practice. I hope you find it useful. That is the account that shared this sheet. As you can see, here we have the explanation. Here we have the explanation, verbs and form, time references, pronouns, time change, tell, say, ask. And here we have the exercise. You can type over here to perform the practice, and at the same time you can do the exercises in this way. So it is very useful this this website if you're out like a very young teacher and you're looking for a new tools in order to teach English. This will be an essential tool for everyone. So that's everything from me from this first video. And the other ones I will be showing you. Well, the second video will be about Kahoot. Um, how can we make how can we use it in our daily life as a teacher? So thank you for watching.